Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Kawasaki ZX636. This super sport just arrived with only 14,500 miles. Beautiful metallic silver with the red tribal flames. Those red wheels are really cool. This bike has a smoked windscreen, CRG adjustable levers, red steel braided brake lines, frame sliders, bar end mirrors, and an awesome sounding Muzzies exhaust system, fender eliminator. Really cool bike, a lot of curb appeal. Come on by, make your 636 Super Sport dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports for only $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Bike is fuel injected, no choke. $54.99, way off. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.